The CAT S22 Flip, the rugged flip phone ever, designed for durability and reliability in extreme environments. Let's take a close look at the impressive specification of this rugged phone. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for impressive and unique tech content. First up, the display. The CAT S22 Flip boasts a 2.8-inch QVGA color display, providing clear and vibrant visuals even in bright sunlight. The compact flip design not only protects the screen but also enhances portability. Now let's talk about durability. This phone is certified to MIL STD810H, ensuring resistance against drop, shock, vibration and extreme temperatures. It is also rated IP68 for water and dust resistance, allowing it to be submerged in up to 1.5 meters of water for 35 minutes. Under the hood, the CAT S22 Flip packs a powerful 1.8 GHz of quad-core processor, delivering smooth performance for your daily tasks. Combined with the 4G LTE connectivity, you can browse the web, stream videos and stay connected wherever you go. The CAT S22 Flip runs on Android 11, providing access to a wide range of apps and services through the Google Play Store. It also includes a physical keypad, making it easier to navigate and type, especially when wearing gloves. With the CAT S22 Flip, you won't have to worry about running out of battery. It houses a robust 2000 mAh of battery, providing 19 hours of talk time and an impressive 37 days of standby period. The CAT S22 features a single rear camera with a resolution of 13 megapixels. It supports autofocus, allowing you to capture sharp and focused images. The front camera of the CAT S22 has a resolution of 5 megapixels. It can be used for selfies and video calls, but it may not produce the same level of detail or quality as the rear camera. This rugged phone is also equipped with a 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, giving you ample space to store your photos, videos and important files. And if that is not enough, you can still expand the storage using a micro SD card. The CAT S22 Flip is a rugged flip phone designed to withstand extreme conditions, offering durability, reliability and essential features for those who need a reliable device in challenging environments. And that concludes our today's video. If you want to save money on your dream phones, subscribe to our channel and never miss out any updates from our renewed smartphone deals.